Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a slightly different kind of fun video because it has come to my notice that I have one video in particular that is going pretty well right now, which is this half-faced zombie SFX tutorial makeup. It has a little bit more than 100,000 views now, and I am so excited that you guys love it so much, and I get a lot of love comments on it and feedback, positive feedback. But anyways, the point is, this video is actually not that good, if I may say so myself. Everything I know today when it comes to makeup and SFX makeup, especially SFX makeup, techniques, how to apply different products and everything, that's stuff that I've learned myself. When I started doing SFX makeup like 2 or 3 years ago, might even be more, I wasn't that good and I didn't really know anything about the techniques and how to apply what. And a lot of times when I check out my older videos, like that old videos, especially the SFX ones, I cringe a lot. Since this video has gotten so much love and so many views, I decided to, you know what, let's take a moment. I uploaded this video a little bit more than 2 years ago. So since a lot has changed since then, I decided to recreate that video and that makeup look based on what I know today and what I've learned so far from then to today. Anyways, I have all my stuff set up here next to me and I'm thinking that we can just get started. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos coming up every week.